Most canned sardines in UK supermarkets represent a quiet disaster for unsuspecting consumers. Millions of people have no idea they are eating the wrong varieties every single week. 6 specific tins sitting on those store shelves right now will give you mushy and lifeless fish that smells like low tide and tastes of precisely nothing. But 4 exceptional tins exist that will change your perspective on this classic lunch option. This guide exists to make sure you never grab the wrong tin again and always get the best quality for your money. We will examine the worst offenders first. Walk into any Asda, Tesco or Aldi and you will find their own brand sardines packed in sunflower oil. These happen to be the most bought versions in the entire country, which is a deeply distressing fact for seafood enthusiasts. Spanish chef José Pizarro ran a blind taste test for The Guardian in May 2025 and could not tell these 3 brands apart. The processing resulted in soft meat that felt almost paste-like in texture. Reality sets in when you realize that sunflower liquid adds 0 flavor to the catch. It does nothing to enhance the seafood and simply makes an already mediocre product taste worse than it has any right to be. These fish deserve better treatment, and you deserve a much better meal. The liquid matters immensely because sardines naturally carry rich amounts of omega-3 fatty acids, and the surrounding liquid soaks directly into the catch during storage. Sunflower oil is a budget seed product with a flat and neutral taste alongside a high omega-6 content. Submerging a beautiful sardine in this liquid pulls the overall quality down drastically. The resulting product yields soft and flavorless meat with a slightly greasy finish that coats your mouth in a highly unpleasant way. 3 major UK supermarkets follow this exact packing method, meaning 3 of the 6 worst offenders come directly from them. You should avoid all own-brand sunflower versions from Asda, Tesco and Aldi without a second thought.
Brunswick then enters the picture with sardines packed in soya oil.
Soya belongs nowhere near any type of seafood, because it adds a heavy and slightly bitter mouthfeel that sits on your tongue long after the meal concludes. You will not enjoy this lingering sensation in any capacity. Serious chefs would never pack a wild catch like this under any circumstances. Yet Brunswick sits prominently on UK supermarket shelves, convincing shoppers that this is the standard taste profile for canned seafood. Those shoppers are entirely mistaken about what constitutes good fish.
Versions packed in brine or spring water perform even worse.
Water offers no culinary merit as a preservative in this specific context. Water actively preserves the natural fats by locking the healthy oils inside the meat instead of allowing them to leach out and blend with the surrounding liquid. You are left with a dry and slightly rubbery catch that smells far too sharp while presenting a texture resembling wet paper. The healthy omega-3s you paid top prices for remain locked inside the fish, leading you to pay for a health food while receiving disappointment. This outcome is completely unacceptable.
The final offender frustrates food experts more than any other product on the market.
Generic skinless and boneless sardines might sound appealing to those seeking convenience with no fuss or mess. However, removing the skin and bones strips away the calcium that the fish naturally carries in extraordinarily high quantities. A single 106-gram tin containing bones delivers 351 milligrams of calcium, which equals roughly a third of your recommended daily intake. This nutritional benefit disappears the moment manufacturers process the bones out of the fish. Losing that calcium leaves you with intact boneless fillets, but represents a complete waste of an excellent natural ingredient.
Fortunately, better news awaits seafood lovers.
4 distinct items exist in UK shops right now that treat sardines with the proper respect they genuinely deserve. The golden rule connecting every single one of these winning products is that they use olive oil exclusively. Manufacturers must follow this rule without any exceptions to achieve high quality. Fish Forever sustainably fished sardines start the victory lap for quality products. Catch sourced off the coast of Brittany in France arrives at the shore within 12 hours and gets cut entirely by hand. That specific detail matters immensely because hand cutting preserves the physical structure of the catch in a way that industrial processing simply cannot replicate. Opening the package reveals a product that actually looks like a real fish, rather than a compressed block of grey protein. The result delivers a plump and firm sardine that holds together beautifully, whether you put it on toast, stir it through pasta, or serve it alongside a plate of proper chips. Fish Forever also maintains strong sustainability credentials, ensuring the North Atlantic population benefits just as much as your dinner plate does. Finding this balance is a rare occurrence in the canned seafood industry and remains well worth the purchase price.
Sitting securely in the middle of the market is our best all-rounder product. John West sardines in olive oil come directly from Portugal, which is a country with centuries of undeniable expertise in handling Atlantic catch. These tins arrive with excellent texture, clean pressed oil, and a satisfying meaty bite that sunflower versions will never come close to matching. The price remains surprising, since it costs nowhere near luxury territory. Generations of Portuguese factories have perfected this canning process, ensuring you receive highly dependable consistency in every single batch produced. Putting these on sourdough bread with a squeeze of fresh lemon and some coriander creates a highly satisfying meal.
Waitrose Essential Sardines in olive oil consistently surprise everyone who hears about their high rating. Priced at around £1 for a standard tin, these stand as the least expensive product on the winners list, while remaining one of the most nutritionally celebrated options available. UK cardiologists have specifically called them out for heart-healthy diets due to their mild, sweet flavour and the exceptionally high quality of the oil used. They carry almost none of the sharp and overpowering fishiness that frequently puts people off the dish altogether. The meat stays solid, the smell remains subtle, and the taste is highly pleasant straight from the container without anything added. A supermarket own brand beating expensive rivals at under 90 pence represents a highly unexpected outcome for shoppers.
Ortiz Sardines à la Antigua takes the top spot as a true luxury choice for discerning buyers. This item makes you feel like you have made proper culinary decisions the moment you open the tin. Ortiz operates as a Spanish brand with deep historical roots in the Basque Country region. Their catch earned a Great Taste Gold Star in 2019 for outstanding quality. Every fish arrives with a beautiful silver sheen, packed securely in high-grade oil and featuring a sturdy, meaty texture that successfully holds its shape even after you put a fork directly through it. They certainly cost considerably more than everything else featured on this list. However, this product respects the sea, respects the traditional preparation process, and respects the person eating the final meal, making it worth every single extra penny.
These 4 winning items share the olive oil factor, because this specific ingredient contains rich amounts of monounsaturated fats that actively complement the omega-3s already present in the fish. The fats blend smoothly during long-term storage, allowing the fish to absorb some of the oil's distinctive character over time. Top-tier olive oil brings mild, grassy, and slightly peppery notes into the dish that a basic seed product could never hope to provide. This single-ingredient choice cleanly separates a nourishing and flavorful meal from a serving of mush sitting in a depressing liquid. Every expert consulted during the research for this guide pointed directly to the exact same conclusion regarding the fact that oil quality determines everything. The nutritional numbers firmly back up these expert claims. A single tin of whole sardines packed in quality olive oil delivers 23 grams of protein, 1,500 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids, and solid amounts of vitamin D, vitamin B12, alongside other important minerals. Sardines packed in water actually offer an excellent nutritional profile on paper, retaining more of their native omega-3s when drained compared to the oil-packed versions. Picking the right catch means you are choosing superior flavor, while simultaneously making a meaningfully better choice for your long-term bodily health. The cost difference between the excellent tins and the terrible ones frequently amounts to less than 50 pence at the checkout counter. The final situation stands clear for consumers navigating the supermarket aisles. 6 brands belong nowhere near your weekly shopping basket. You must avoid the 3 supermarket-owned brands packed in sunflower oil, Brunswick in soya oil, anything packed in brine or water, and the skinless, boneless versions that actively strip away natural calcium and vitamin D before you even open the lid. Every single one of those products fails to deliver proper quality. 4 specific items remain worth buying without any hesitation. You should choose Fish Forever for sustainability, John West for everyday reliability, Waitrose Essential when you want unbeatable value without compromising on taste, and Ortiz when you want the finest eating experience currently available in Britain today. You should stop grabbing the lowest priced option on the shelf out of pure habit. Sardines prepared properly represent a highly rewarding culinary experience that most people have never actually experienced. Consumers continue to miss out purely because they keep reaching for the wrong tins week after week. You now possess the exact knowledge required to pick up the correct items and improve your standard weekday lunches permanently.